Hello my friends, so I've just arrived in La Maison Mécanique here in Paris. This incredible establishment is a collaborative garage specifically designed for motorcycle enthusiasts just like me to work on a beloved machine. So today what I'm going to do is replace my stock exhaust with that of Dominator. Let's jump right in. So guys, I've been waiting a very long time to get my hands on an aftermarket exhaust system, and I finally received the Dominator HP7 full titanium line. That's a beautiful product. Let's take a closer look to it. The first thing we're gonna do is remove the crashbars, remove the skid plate from OUTBACK MOTORTEK. There's a lot of work to do. I'm not gonna waste time. Guys, this is the first time I'm working on a bike with this. So comfortable. Everything is rusted. There's rust and corrosion on every screws. So when it came to choosing an aftermarket exhaust system, there was a few factors to consider, and one of them was the quality of the construction. Hopla! Skid plate. So the Dominator exhaust is made of stainless steel, which is known for its durability and its resistance to rust and corrosion. I'm always super scared about those screws in the engine. Look at that. It's super rusted. There it goes. So now I need to remove the front guard. We got a kit from HEIZKÖRPER Modifications. I think it gives a more aggressive look to the bike. This one is very, very tight. I really don't like that sound. Alright, so this is the kit I am talking about. Okay, yes, now the focus is right. This is from HEIZKÖRPER Modification though. So this is the kit, just this thing here, the black one. And it enables me to add a high front fender on the 1290. So you just plug it here on the frame and it makes you have a front fender. So that's great. So I'll pin the link to the HEIZKÖRPER Modification high front fender kit in the description below, so you can check it out. Now I'm gonna work on finally what I'm here for, the exhaust. So I'm gonna take the pipe off. I'm gonna remove it from out of the bike, and then here the same. I'm gonna go slowly because I don't want to break the screw in the engine. I need to remove the screws of the foot pegs because the whole thing is what carry the skid plate. And I won't be able to put the line here because of this. Okay. Seriously? It's way thinner than the stock one. I'm gonna show you the comparison. It's so heavy compared to... Oh. Bro, the difference is insane. So this is the stock exhaust system. The weight is insane. The difference in weight between the two, it's insane. This, you serious? It must be like, I have no idea actually, I have no idea, but I'd say it's 15 kgs, approximately, maybe less a little bit. The full line, I don't know. And this one must be like, not even 10. So the difference is gonna be incredible off-road, especially off-road, because that's where the weight gain makes sense. Allez les garçons! Yes, I broke this one. Fuck. Removed. And done. This is it, guys. I finally removed the stock exhaust. So this is the full exhaust line. It's so heavy. This is the new one. Very, very light. Cannot wait to put it on the bike. See the sound, and I think I'm gonna gain so much weight from it. You gotta get up, you gotta get up, you gotta get down. On the bike now. Alright, so we have fitted the front collector. Now I'm gonna put this one. The screw. So Romain is trying to assemble the stock part to the Dominator thing. Now it's time to finally put the Dominator exhaust and Voila. That's a good looking bike. Rate in the comments what you think. It's so much thinner than the stock one. This is the stock exhaust. Big, heavy. Let's go. What do you think, Romain?
I think it's beautiful.
Boys, we are excited. I cannot wait to switch it on.
This amazing exhaust.
I'm a strong advocate of the quieter the better, especially in off-road conditions. You're in the forest, you're trying to respect it. But, you know, in the meantime, you want something a little bit more aggressive than the stock exhaust. HP7 titanium from Dominator. So it's gonna give my engine a louder and deeper aggressive tone compared to the stock exhaust system. So we'll see about that in a minute, actually, because I have no idea what it's gonna sound like. Oh, qui a les clés? The keys to hell.
Let's make some noise!
I'm a strong advocate of the quieter the better.
So that was a f***ing lie.
Jamais je roule l'Empire avec ça, hein. Oh là 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 là.
Are you happy?
Hein?
C'est parce qu'ils m'ont fait une sonde là. Il y a une sonde que vous avez pas mis encore.
Pas de bise.
Pas mis non plus, t'as pas mis.
We forgot something on the exhaust on the front end, so maybe that's why it makes so much noise. It's so loud. So on the first try, on the first ignition, we forgot to well, we forgot. Okay, let's try again. Ignition, Houston. Launch in 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
All engine running. And liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, le bruit, c'est indécent. Hein. Faut que je mette une chicane.
Somptueux, moi je dis. Ouais,
T'as dit quoi?
somptueux. Il a mis dans le 6e, hein.
C'est beau, tu vois, c'est profond.
Sur Paris, à 4 tours en 6, ça fait pas de bruit en 6.
And the sound is so deep, so loud. Oh, it sounds incredible. Oh, voilà. Eh, franchement, il est beau, hein.
Le résultat, le son il est ouf, mais il faut assumer d'en faire rien.
Anyway, let's assemble the bike again and let's go. All right, guys, I finally finished to mount the Dominator HP7 and the full titanium line. It took me approximately a day. It was very a long work because there was so many things to remove out of the bike. The crashbars, the skid plate, the high front fender, and then all kind of stuff happened. But I'm so happy now. I think the look of it is absolutely stunning. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I cannot wait to just go and ride and just, you know, listen to the sound of the deep sound of the Dominator. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And a big thank you to Dominator, of course, who sent me the HP7 and the full line and stuff. So I'm done.